Hi everybody, your pal Aaron again, Worldwide RV. Today we're going to talk about this beauty. One of the things, if you look up top, there's actually no window in the upper cab right there. I like that. A lot less places for water to get in. Here up on top, you got a wine guard satellite on there. It already has the Max Air vent covers on it. Walk around this thing with me real quick. This thing is like new. It hardly has any miles on it. It's a 2022. Tires are still like right off the showroom. I like the blue stripes on it. And if you can see the sheen in here, this is 3 coats of solid gel coat. It's like a boat that way. You don't see the fiberglass strands in it. Big block Ford in here, of course, going to give you all kinds of horsepower. Godzilla motor, they call it. 7.3 liter. Kind of a basic inside, but I like it because it works. Oversized booth dinette. Right here, take your phone. It's got a wireless charger you can drop right on there. Of course, a couple of built-in cup holders. How's that? A little forethought. You can put your sponge right in the sink. And these are actually plywood drawers. Don't be confused by stuff out there built out of particle board. A flat top 3-burner stove with an oven. If you come on back, this thing's only 22 feet long, yet you're getting a walk-around queen bed and a small slide. Hey, thanks for spending a little time with me today. And again, Aaron Fisk, Worldwide RV. Come down and check out the Chateau. We're ready when you are.